With soaring energy prices affecting Europe, and the pledge to reach net zero by 2050 in sight, the need for active and decarbonized buildings grows stronger than ever. Demand-side flexibility and smart technologies have a key role to play in all buildings, including non-residential and commercial properties. These represent 24% of the EU building stock and a third of buildings' energy consumption. With the increase in electrification beyond heating systems, charging of electric vehicles will soon represent the biggest load in buildings, which would ultimately impact their carbon performance. A real-life, remarkable example of how smart heating, ventilation, and air conditioning as well as transport technologies already work in a non-residential building takes us to Amsterdam and the Johan Cruijff ArenA. The venue is equipped with an array of smart and digital technologies connected to the grid. The arena makes use of electric vehicles in its premises, connected via smart and bidirectional chargers. One bidirectional charger is connected to the stadium, providing a power output of 22 kilowatts. On top of that, the parking lot comprises more than 50 smart chargers. Aside from these solutions, a large static storage capacity of 3 megawatts has been installed, using 148 first and second life EV batteries. This goes hand in hand with the installed 4,200 solar panels on the rooftop, which supply the stadium when needed and get stored when the electricity is not being used. The energy storage system provides backup power, reducing the use of diesel generators. By flattening the peaks that occur during concerts or other major events, the system also provides relief to the energy grid.
We had some reasons to invest in this system because we are wanting to reduce our CO2 footprint, carbon footprint. And that was a very important thing for us. Otherwise, we had to need for a backup power system for our concerts and event days. We have football games, we have concerts. So it was quite a reason to have a backup power instead of diesel generators, because diesel generators have impact on CO2. And the second one is that we are on the frequency market, so we get money for to balance the grid, the European net. We want to be on other markets, not only the frequency markets, but also other markets. We will act. The software has to be developed, and if that's ready, then we will launch that. And the second thing is that we want to the vehicle-to-grid solutions, who are already there, vehicle-to-grid and grid-to-vehicle. So we already have some examples here of chargers, and we will expand that in the coming time.
This installation offers a number of impressive benefits. The installed EV batteries allow financial revenues of more than €500,000. The potential goes far beyond the 148 batteries in the stationary storage. With over 2,000 parking places on site that could become bidirectional charging stations, the stadium has an even bigger capacity for green events, backup power, and future energy services.
The battery on an event day, then we set it off the grid and we fill the system, the 3 megawatt system, with 7,000 square meters of solar power, which is lying on the roof of the Johan Cruijff ArenA. It is used as a backup system, so we fill this backup system with the 3 megawatt power, and that can provide green energy during the evening for the concert. In 10 years' time, we save 116,000 tons of CO2. We're looking into some studies to make it possible that we can share this energy system with our neighborhood. And that's not only the companies here, like the Ziggo Dome and companies near us, but also all the people who are living here in the southeast area.
Buildings should contribute to achieve climate neutrality. Large non-residential and commercial buildings in particular, due to their higher energy demand. The deployment and activation of smart and flexible technology solutions on the demand side is the way towards a cost-effective clean energy transition and a sustainable, inclusive and resilient Europe.